resources dashboard divided into two parts: budget versus onboard, and employee trainings. It delivers a solution with parts of visualization and understanding insights of employee details, as well as budget versus onboard details of various categories. Budget versus onboard shows division, year, designation, and town category-wise budget and onboard details. On top cards shows current year budgeted, onboard and vacant staff. It filters data according to selection of year in selection pane. Drill down functionality to view state and their district. Employee training shows total employee by training type, training name, and designation. Data will be filtered out on selection of training type, training name, and date. Thank you.